Sert is a clever thread repair system that allows you to repair damaged threads. And best of all, it's a like-for-like swap, meaning with this repair process, you can keep the original thread size. Now we all know when it comes to thread repair, just re-tapping the hole sometimes just does not cut it. And with Sert, it's a super quick, easy, reliable solution to get you out of those sticky situations. Sert has got a few unique features. Firstly, the repair insert is solid and made from steel. There's also a lip to it which prevents the insert from winding too far into the material, and because of the countersink in the process, will sit flush with the surface. Secondly, when you wind in the insert into your material, the insertion tool actually forms the last few threads, which causes the insert to mechanically lock in place. This means you don't need to use any adhesive and creates a super tight seal, meaning you have peace of mind knowing you have a permanent repair. So if you're in need of a thread repair system, check Sert out.